Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Joy. I'm excited to share with you my progress on my Panda Palette 2026. This is now my fourth update. In my previous update, I hit pan on one eyeshadow, and for this update, I hit pan on 3 eyeshadows. I am working on this Wet n Wild Color Icon Comfort Zone eyeshadow palette, and there are just 8 eyeshadows here. So I've now hit pan on 4 eyeshadows. There are 4 more eyeshadows to go. The first eyeshadow I hit pan on, and this is the eyeshadow I hit pan on in my previous update. It is this crease shade, and this is what it looks like. For this crease shade, I've worked on this 36 times to hit pan on that one. I've been working on this as my eyeliner. And then this brow bone shade on the right, which I've now hit pan on, I've worked on this 31 times. So I'm using more product here actually than this one. But it took me 31 uses. And this one took me 36 uses. So more uses as expected since I use more product from this one. Now for the eyelid shade, this one I've used 43 times actually. So I've used this more than the other two. I'm not really sure why that is the case. But for this one, I think when I started, I wasn't focusing on a specific area. And when I started to focus on a specific area, I managed to eventually hit pan on that one. And lastly, for this crease shade, I've used this 58 times. So it's similar. But this one, I managed to hit pan on it earlier. 31 uses. Now, what is surprising here, when I started, I didn't like this shade. But now, I prefer this brow bone shade over the brow bone shade on the left. For the eyeshadows that I didn't hit pan on yet, this brow bone shade, I've used this, total number of uses is 41. For this eyelid shade, I've used this 21 times. And this is the least number of uses in this eyeshadow palette, but I think I'll hit pan on this ahead of this definer. I can feel, I can sense, it looks like I'm almost there for this one. So I just need to focus on this for my next update. And then for this definer shade, this one I've used 48 times. I've been using this now as my eyeliner since I've hit pan on that one. I'm now starting to focus on this one. But it may take me some time, longer than my usage here. Not really sure why. And then lastly, this definer shade, this one I've only used this 26 times. But in my assessment, I'll hit pan on this ahead of this one, even though I've used this the least. So this one first, and then perhaps I'll hit pan on one of these two ahead of the definer shade here on the left. Now, given that I've now hit pan on 4 eyeshadows, I will just work on it, but not focusing on fully using it up. I might expand the pan a bit, but I'll be focusing on the remaining shades and then work on my other eyeshadow palette project. I have the Years of Usage eyeshadow project pan. I'll probably be working on that more than this one, given that there are just 4 shades left in this eyeshadow palette. And then in my next update, I'll bring in some more eyeshadow palette. I haven't decided yet, but I'm definitely going to bring in some more eyeshadow palette to work on. I haven't decided what target yet to do with those that I'll bring in, but I'm just really thinking I need to bring in some more eyeshadow palette into the project for me to get to use them. And this time, for this one, I'm happy with my progress. I've hit pan on 4 eyeshadows. Hopefully, by the end of the year, I managed to hit pan on the remaining 4. So this is my 4th update on the Panda Palette 2026. Thank you all for watching and hope to see you in my next video. Bye!